and us, and then there's this component, which is the one that Eleni and I have been working on, which is the Hyperwall, which is a large LED display, and this is really where we have the heart of the data visualizations. So this, it turns out that this display is very similar in size to our display and resolution. And so we're seeing one of these dashboards, data visualization dashboards. It's got a main screen that's 6 feet high, 21 feet long, and 2 circular screens on either side. Here they're a little closer and smaller than in our display where we have them separated, but other than that, it's roughly to scale. And we've created, at least initially, this is going to be a growing set of content. The initial content is a series of dashboards about topics. This is one of the very specific dashboards. Most of them are more general than this. And in addition to the dashboards, we have narrated stories. And the stories are more trying to get at like how NASA information and data is put in the hands of people. So there's a story about a farmer and how they use NASA data to figure out how to